Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you connect Google Drive with other apps. You can connect other apps to Google Drive by selecting Connect More App from the More menu when creating a new file or by right-clicking a file and choosing Options with. So what you could actually do is, in order to do this or in order to actually connect to Google Drive with other apps, you want to open up your Drive first thing. So all you have to do is just go ahead and make sure to click on the settings button first of all. Here you should be able to find this connect button, or else you could just tap on the three dot icon, click on share, and you could just tap on the three dot icon and then click on manage access, or you could just go to the shared section and then select where you actually want to share. So this actually can be done in the you could just click on the upload button. Let's see, this is the one. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the upload button, and then you could select this account. And now I'm gonna go ahead and select whether you could go ahead and share it on other applications. So this way you'll be able to share, or this is the way you could go ahead and connect Google Drive with other apps. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.